Y'all don't care if y'all are on video, do you? Huh? Y'all don't care if you're on video, do you? You got the right to do that. To video whoever I please unless told that it was. Back up. Back up. Back up, baby girl. Back. Get back. Get back. There you go. You're very nice. I'll shut that door down.
Son, she ain't stupid. If she goes, she ain't going far, and she will come back quick.
Get my ball back inside.
Baby girl, want a treat?
She's got to pee.
She got to pee. I know she better hurry.
Where did she go?
Right around the bushes.
That's why you don't let her out anymore.
Let me go get her. You hear that?
Huh?
You hear that? That's a funnel sound. There she is. Baby girl! Come here, baby girl. You want a treat?
Where's she at?
I'm up on my toes. I can see you. You see?
I see her now.
Yeah.
Yep, her taking a shit, getting soaking wet. I'm gonna have to bathe her.
She better hurry up.
We might not be doing nothing.
There she comes.
Come on, baby girl.
Say, I'm not going too far.
There she comes.
Y'all.
Hey, baby. Shaky, shaky. Shaky, shaky, baby girl. Look at me. You want to get on camera, nigga? See how dark it's getting? I could have done something else together, guys. Close it. I don't know about you, but I'm backing up. It's tornadoes. Oh, I see her. Get out of that dang wheel. Get out the wheel, nigga.
Is she in the wheel?
She's in the wheel. Look.
Leave her in there then.
Mayday.
Come here, baby. You'll know if it's coming. Look, baby girl done backed up. It's coming now. Close that daggum door. Look, baby girl is cowering right now. We need to close that door. She's all the way over here.
Hunting that cat.
What if they come back?
Come here, Bailey. Come on. Come here, baby. Come here.
You won't be able to tell if they're coming.
No, there's rotation in these clouds that's over our head. It just ain't far enough down to do no damage yet.
Yeah.
I'm glad you
Are
can
they
see
moving
that.
anywhere?
Son, you need to be videoing them trees, the tops of them trees.
Let me get up here. First tree limb that falls is a signal. That's a signal. One tree limb falls, close the door. Oh my God. I would like to shut the door now. Please shut the door.
Shut up.
I know. That's getting all over this camera. I need to back up. I'm pretty sure they can hear it.
I'm scared.
You back up.
Can we shut the door, please?
Shut the door, shut the door, shut the door, shut the door! Mama! This ain't nothing to toy with.
Y'all back up if you don't like it.
I mean, I want to get it on video, but dang, this is tough. Probably only gonna have a 10-minute video because this is getting bad.
No, I'm fascinated by it.
It is fascinating. Really. I want people to comment and see if it's fascinating. Because this is the first one I've been through since I was young. And I mean young. Hey, Mom. You remember what I did a long time ago when we had that first tornado? The trampoline got blown over and y'all went out to go get it. I was standing at the window watching. I was looking through the window. 2 of them.
Well, we have been in a tornado, right?
Mm-hmm. When you were still a little baby, there
We've
was
never been
tornado.
directly hit by one. That's just really strong wind that took the trampoline up that
Like
day.
this?
Baby girl, leave her alone.
Leave that kid alone, dog.
Like this?
No, there's a lot stronger than that.
Lord
A lot
Jesus.
stronger.
Well, is that a good thing?
Well, yes and no.
The water is curving now. I wear your granddad's clothes. I look incredible. Gonna finish?
Baby girl, leave the cat alone.
I don't know how to finish the song. All I know is I got $20 in my pocket. And that last part to the good part. In the dress shop down the road. Come here, girl. Leave her alone.
Well, they were saying it's going towards Atlanta.
No, it's coming from Atlanta.
I mean, from Atlanta.
Atlanta hasn't had anything done to it,
I
really.
come out of school a little while ago to come home, and I had to walk on the grass coming out of school. I couldn't walk on the sidewalk because if I had it, the water would come up to my ankles. They had that much rain had fallen,
And yeah, I can see it now.
and I pretty much told her then I'm going to get my baby just so they to drop towards them. I can hit 85 and outrun it, and that's what I'm about to do.
So what's
And
going to
that's
happen?
what I did. I got to the red light up here in Carnesville, and it had quit raining. I come on to the house, and here we are.
What did your teacher do about it? Or your boss?
I don't know what they're going to do.
You were at school, weren't you?
Yeah, I just told them I had to go.
You take that huge test?
Mm-hmm.
You got done with it?
Yeah, because we did it first at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
But see, at the time we did it, the campus in Dahlonega, they were getting this crap right here. And they ended up under a tornado warning and had to put the test down and take shelter, so they get a whole another week to study for the test.
Lucky.
Pissed me off.
They'll probably do the same thing for you
I
since
was
you
gonna say,
left
it won't
early.
surprise me if we don't get to retake it, because there's enough people bitches about it.
What'd you tell them?
About what?
Like, how'd you tell them?
That I was leaving? I just told Dottie this stuff is going right towards my house, and my kid's going to be getting off the bus at 4 and be home alone. And I said, I won't never forget nursing school if something happened to my youngins, and I'm here. Get her, Maylee.
Scratch her face! Got her! Arr! Stuff is getting bad. Look how much water is gonna come up around there.
Yeah, I know.
It was right over here in this little.
It's putting down some water.
It was in that puddle right there. Now it's gonna come all the way up through here, circling, looking like a human. It's a body of water. That was hilarious. It's like a little person. See? Look, his little head. Little leg.
Can you not look and see if the clouds are like
It's a body of
moving
water.
to a different location or something?
I would actually like to get a view of it out there.
Oh, that tree's gonna fall.
Which one?
That one back there.
Like behind the three
That's
limb
what
one?
I'm worried about more than anything, is the ground getting so damn wet and these trees falling. I think we're about to clear now. We're just gonna get some heavy rain.
That just took a whole lot of
But
weight
okay.
off my shoulders.
Not to put it back on, but it may come back.
No, because the red's gone.
Red's gone?
It's about on the other side.
Oh my Lord. Lord Jesus, it's a tornado.
It ain't going towards Oglethorpe, is it?
They some down there, but
They ain't getting as much as this.
They're getting it after us because when I looked on it,
yeah,
That scared the
severe
crap out of
rain
me.
is on warning now.
that just scared the crap out of me.
I love my alerts. I really do.
That scared the crap out of me.
Because if I'm asleep in the middle of the night and this shit happens, these things are gonna wake me up.
Like I felt it right here in the middle of my
Yeah, they'll
abdomen.
be getting it here in just a little bit.
I had it right in between my abdomen at the top. It went down to my belly button. That crap. Ooh. That's worse than going over a hill at 70 miles an hour. Whoop.
Alright, baby. I think we're safe.
Hold up.
Upstairs.
Hold up.
That'll mess it up. Stop.
I ain't gonna mess it up.
So we are good?
Yeah, you get the cat.
Come on, Melly. Here, Melly.
Baby girl, where'd she go?
Here, Melly.
She's down in the bottom.
No, she ain't. She done went back through yonder because that's where baby girl was looking.
Come on, Melly.
Mealy!
She's...
Come on, little baby. Come on, little baby.
Baby girl knows where she's at. Where'd she go, baby girl?
Right. This turned into a weather watch to a cat hunt.
Yeah.
Shine it through here.
There she is.
Melly! Get your butt out here.
Now let's go find Molly.
Ow!
You crazy little
Scratching
thing. Alright.
We need to go put her outside. She scratching you?
Oh, I'm sorry, Haley. I didn't mean to do that.
Molly! Molly poo-poo. Molly poo-poo. Here, Molly. Here, Molly. She ain't under the chair.
She was Mom and Daddy's room.
I'll go look for her. Molly, I just seen you. Where you at? Molly, I just seen you.
Gotta go find her.
I just seen her.
Molly!
I'm pretty sure the camera got her. Get out from under there. Get out from under there. Get out from under there. She's on Mama's side. She's right there. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, baby. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. She's a retard. We got her taught a kitty. She's trying to play with your fingers.
Hey, you want me to heat your soup up in the pot?
Meow.
I'm gonna heat mine up in there.
Meow, meow. She just rolled over. She's trying to play with your hand. She's trying to play with your hand. It's precious. She's gonna pounce in a minute. Meow! Rare! Rare!
Y'all look at the dang water coming down, would you?
Forget it. Whoa. Is it normal for the screen to be blue?
Watch the driveway down here when this car comes by. If they hit it. Damn, they didn't hit it like that last car did.
They probably can't see it because of the screen door. Neither did that one.
There's water running across the road.
Open the door up a little bit.
I don't want to, the wind's blowing. That's weird looking.
They want to adjust. Like, it's doing it right here.
Yeah.
Where's she at? Get her, baby girl! If I got that, I'm gonna start laughing. Get her, baby girl! What?
Come on, girl.
What was that?
She back there?
Nope.
She ain't under there. Molly!
Look up under.
Where are you?
Kitty.
I see her. Meow! Get out from there! Get out from there!
Be quiet.
Got her.
I'm an animal person.
Kitty hunt! The kitty hunt was successful. It's blue!
There's something in them windows, I bet you.
Fixed it! I just had to tap the screen once.
Alright, no more kitty hunting.
Dang, cuz, look at that. It's going all the way through them tire tracks, or them little tree tracks that we drug through. Dang, cuz. Hey, birdie. Hey, birdie.
Where's mom go?
Bathroom. Alright, that was a video. 20 minutes almost. About 20 minutes doing a video.
Oh, dude, that was cool.
What was cool? The car go by?
Watch this, watch this.
Looks like fire. It looks like wet fire. Alright. I'll just run it down to a 20 minutes. Now they can experience the miracle of me making some SpaghettiOs. 3 freaking minutes in a microwave. Let's do it. What up?